start things off, as far as the value proposition is concerned, we understand that MSPs are going to market with a significant number of vendors today, and that's one of the things we really offer, right? So Cisco is uniquely positioned to be able to provide multiple solutions across multiple categories, and really trying to simplify the vendor management problem that most MSPs have today, right? Consolidating that down. So that's a huge value proposition that we were able to provide across networking, security, and collaboration. You know, you can think of Cisco holistically across all those categories, and hopefully be able to whittle down that vendor management issue from 15 to 25 to 30 different vendors that you're having to deal with today, and hopefully whittle that down in half. In addition to that, I've been laser focused on integrating with industry platform providers, be it our ConnectWise integrations or our integrations with Perch or LionGuard or other key players in the MSP space. We're actively growing that integration footprint today, and we're looking to add more here in the near future. So that's another key value that we're able to provide. And then deploying the technologies, you know, these are all cloud managed, cloud deployed, multi-tenanted solutions. They're enterprise level type products that are not watered down in any way. So that's really a huge value that we're able to provide to our partners as well. And then finally, you know, because of some of the integrations, the PSA partnerships that we have, but also what we're doing with distributors, you know, be it Tech Data or Ingram or ComStore, you know, they're a really key aspect to the strategy and reaching our MSPs through distribution, and they provide a significant value in accelerating your practice as well. Next up, just to focus a little bit on the portfolio itself. You know, most MSPs today are very familiar with Umbrella and OpenDNS. They've done a fantastic job of leading that charge prior to the acquisition that Cisco made. But you know, that's usually where the exposure to MSPs was in the past as it relates to Cisco. But now we've got really great solutions like Meraki Full Stack, AMP for Endpoint, StealthWatch Cloud, and oh, by the way, our most recent acquisition, Duo Security, which also has a very heavy footprint in the MSP space. So as it relates to networking, DNS, endpoint security, or two-factor authentication, we have you covered there. And you know, again, these are cloud managed, cloud deployed in a monthly consumption model type pricing that makes sense for MSPs that have great ecosystem partnerships and integrations into the tool sets that you're currently using today. I know Aaron from Perch highlighted this a little earlier, you know, but we've got some fantastic integrations with the Perch platform. They recently launched the Meraki integrations. We've got Umbrella, and you know, one of the things that we noticed right away is, you know, Umbrella didn't have S3 available, and that was feedback that we received from the community loud and clear, and we made that available at no additional cost across either the OpenDNS legacy product or the new Umbrella MSP offer that's available through distribution today. So, you know, we're really putting our money where our mouth is, and we really want to be able to provide the level of solutions that our MSPs need today, and the integrations that we're providing with Perch across our security stack is really important to highlight. You know, we love what Perch does for our MSP partners. It's something that Cisco certainly can't do. We're never going to get in the SIM space or the outsourced SOC space. So we really wanted to have an established player in this space to partner with, to be able to provide that next level type security capability that most of our MSP partners today are looking to dive into. As it relates to licensing consumption models, you know, we built MSLA, which is our licensing model that's specifically consumption based for most of our security solutions today. So Umbrella, AMP for Endpoint, StealthWatch Cloud, those solutions are available through distribution on a monthly consumption model, meaning you deploy the licenses out to your clients and report back the usage, and you only get charged for the licenses you use. That can fluctuate month to month. So that's really a critical aspect that our MSPs are looking for. We understand you charge your clients on a monthly basis, and therefore you expect that your vendors are going to charge you that same way as well. And we've been working very hard behind the scenes with all the different distributors to launch MSLA. So if you're interested in getting up and running in any of the security solutions that we mentioned today, they are available through distribution on this MSLA model. Lastly, we launched or relaunched a buying program tailor-made specifically for our MSPs. There's 3 different buckets for this program. For most MSPs, the CMSP Express is the best starting point. In essence, it's a 30-minute application that just asks you to send a screenshot of your RMM or PSA tool, a sample SLA document, and basically we get you approved into this program as an MSP. And that gives you a lot of benefits. Firstly, it's pricing and discounting across Meraki enterprise networking and some security solutions as well. So simplified pricing, rebates, that's a big one. We've got MDF, market development funds, incentives that are made available to our MSP partners that are CMSP Express badged. And that's also a really great thing because we know our MSP partners need help in the marketing side of things and marketing their value to their clients. And MDF can certainly help you do that, as well as additional branding that we will provide. For most of the information that was covered today as it relates to Cisco and our MSP route to market and what we're doing for MSPs, the buying programs and licensing models, you can find that all directly in our MSP page, cisco.com/go/MSP. And that's where you can sign up for our CMSP Express program and get additional information on that as well. And then lastly, I want to provide an opportunity for those of you that aren't already umbrella partners today. We've got 30-day free trials available for MSPs. You just go to the URL linked there, signup.umbrella.com, and we'll be happy to get you up and running on a 30-day trial of Umbrella MSP. So you can start testing that and deploying that internally or to your clients if you want as well. Really a great, easy way to deploy Cisco security, multi-tenanted, cloud managed, one of the best first layers of protection that you can make available to your clients today. And that's it. So short and sweet.